Hi, this is Larry Schumer, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago. Well, what started off as a mixed day today, a mini risk-off day, has turned into something a little bit bigger than that. We're seeing equity markets fall off. We're seeing oil, gold, metals, everything kind of dropping in the late hours of the trade here. But what's going on with volatility? I mean, headlines are mixed. We're stuck in the mud right here with the fiscal cliff issue and beginning of the two-day European summit. It just seems like markets right now are fatigued, they're tired, they're directionalist, and volatility is really doing the same thing. Right now in the equity markets, we saw a pretty big spike in correlation. We're seeing all indexes up pretty well. 3-month implied vol for S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, all up over 1 point, skew higher. Again, people just not really sure what to do and maybe adding some downside protection just given all the fiscal cliff headlines. U.S. Treasury, we're seeing really a different story. Even though we had a couple auctions today, the auctions actually went well. We're seeing yields a little bit higher today. Volatility virtually unchanged, but don't take that for granted. It is firm, but unchanged on the day. Moving on to foreign currency, that's been a mixed bag. Dollar relatively unchanged, at least by the close today. Risk currency is a little bit different. We're seeing volatility actually flat to down just a little bit, but do keep in mind, especially when it comes to risk currencies and the Japanese yen, vol was up fairly substantially yesterday, at least in the early trade, and so it's backed off and we're seeing volatility basically unchanged, maybe even a little bit lower. Moving on to oil. Oil started the day higher. Right now oil's trading in the red. We're seeing volatility spike up about 0.5 point, 3-month at the money implied volatility. And speaking of the red, we're seeing red in gold, silver, and copper, seeing green in volatility in all of those products right now. We're seeing gold up about 0.5 point as well, 3-month at the money implied. Silver up even more than that when judging especially the far back months, given it's down 2.5% on the day. Copper down 1% on the day, volatility up about 0.75 point as well. I'm Larry Schumer, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago.